Hello and good morning everyone. So we meet in your first tutorial video. So what we're going to do in the tutorial video is we are going to learn about how to do the work I've given you last week. Okay, so the first work that I've given you in the last video is this one. Okay, so what do you think the word in red in the passage mean? Use contextual clues to help you guess the meanings. Then refer to a dictionary to find out if you guess correctly. Okay, so we have learned about this one. Okay, remember these words will be used as a spelling practice today. Okay, number one, bid. Bid means to say. To say what? To say goodbye. Usually, bid you goodbye, bid you farewell, and bid you good morning. Next one, exhausted. It means that you are tired. Then we have extra or more, fine or okay. Then we have tip, a bonus, money. Crockery, plates or cups, not necessarily dirty. It's your plates and cups that you use. It's called crockery if it's the plates and cups. If it's the spoons and forks or chopstick, we call it as cutlery. And the knife as well, knife, spoon and fork. Next one, appreciated means you are thankful or grateful. Then number 9, notice, saw or detect. And then the last one, overheard or accidentally heard. This is the link for your spelling today. So go to this word wall game. You can just play the game after you finish watching this video. Okay, never mind. How to do this? We call it question. Question number 2. What do paragraph 1, 2 and 3 tell you about Alex's relationship with his mother? Give reason for your answer. Number 1. How to answer? Those paragraph tells us that Alex is very close to his mother. Why? The reason is they care and love each other as shown in the story. That is the reason. Okay, if you didn't get enough time to get the answer just now, you can just pause the video and play it again when you finish. Okay, or you can just rewatch the video later. Okay, number 3. In paragraph 6, Alex thought for a moment before he made his decision. What do you think helped him to decide? Do you agree with his action and why? Okay, if you agree, the answer should be yes, I do. Why? This is because his action allows others to show compassion for Tom. The next one, no, I don't. If you don't agree, this is because he also needed the money. His mother is bedridden. Bedridden means the mother cannot walk, have to stay at bed, and he needs it as much as Tom do too. If your answer is no, you can copy this one. Number 4, the last one. What effect did Alex's good deed have on the people around him? How did you reach that conclusion? Okay, so his action encouraged others to offer help to Tom. Okay, now let us do one more thing. I forgot to do this one with you. This is module 1, unit 1, all about feelings, and the title is the grammar. So watch Miss Teresa's video here, and after you watch it, please do it in your EX. Okay, so let us watch the video together.
一起看看课本里的漫画。Read the comic strip below. Go away, you thief! I'll teach that monkey a lesson. Cool down, my dear. 大家猜猜看，我们要在这个视频学什么呢？ Hello everyone, welcome to 学到。In this video, we are going to learn about Year 6 English, Unit 1, all about feelings. 在这个视频，我们会学习关于6年级英文 单元1的第7堂课 ，We'll be focusing on grammar。刚刚我们看到的漫画里，大家有发现那3句都有不同的颜色吗？在这个视频里，我们要注意的是蓝色的句子。大家知道那是什么类型的句子吗？我们称它为 exclamatory sentences， 感叹句。一起看看课本里的解释。An exclamatory sentence is a type of sentence which expresses strong emotions or feelings, such as anger, surprise, happiness, excitement, etc. 感叹句呢是带有强烈的感情的句子，比如愤怒、惊讶、快乐、激动等强烈的感情。就像在漫画里的2个句子 Go away, you thief! I'll teach that monkey a lesson. 那在感叹句里，我们都会用感叹号 It ends with an exclamation mark. 好，练习时间到。Rearrange the words below to form exclamatory sentences. 大家要依序排列这8个感叹句子里的字，别忘了要用 capital letter 和 exclamation mark。你可以先点击暂停，让自己先尝试完成这个练习，之后再继续观看，检查你的答案。时间到，我们一起检查答案哦。第一题 ，Hooray! I won the first prize. 太好了，我赢得了头奖。记得第一个字 H 一定要大写，最后一定要加 exclamation mark 感叹号。第二题 ，Congratulations! You deserve it. 恭喜你，这是你应得的。同样的 C 一定要大写，后面一定要加感叹号。第三 ，I'm going to collect the prize tomorrow. 我明天就会去领奖了，直接在后面加一个感叹号。第四 ，I won a huge television. 我赢得了一台非常大的电视机，同样的在后面加上感叹号。第五 ，We are going to Legoland. 我们要去 Legoland 了。前面的第一个字 W 一定要大写，后面加上感叹号。第六 ，What a marvelous idea！ 多么棒的主意呀！同样的，第一个字的第一个字母 W 一定要大写，最后加上感叹号。第七 ，Great! I'm going in an aeroplane！ 好极了，我就可以乘坐飞机了。第一个字的 G 一定要大写，后面加上感叹号。最后一题了。Yes, I'm very happy and excited. 是的，我非常高兴和兴奋。第一个字的 Y 大写，最后加上感叹号。这8题你都答对了吗？好。
Okay, you have watched the video just now. I hope you understand it. So please do all your work in your EX and send it to me in the link I've given to you. Okay, don't forget to sign your attendance for today and see you in the next video today at 11:30. Okay, that's all for today. Bye.